the wild, hermit crabs can live more than 30 years, but captive ones often have shorter lifespans due to improper care. Unlike fish, sea turtles breathe air with lungs and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 hours. Clownfish create communities of various clownfish with specific roles. Male clownfish are dedicated fathers. During spawning, blue tanks change coloration and perform a quick upward rush toward the water surface to release eggs and sperm. Both male and female walruses have large tusks that can grow up to 1 meter long and are used for dominance, defense, and climbing out of water. Their average lifespan ranges from 10 to 15 years, depending on breed and care. Frogs are amphibians in the order Anura, characterized by short bodies, no tails, and strong hind legs for jumping. Starfish. Starfish can regenerate an entire new body from just a single arm and part of their central disc. Koalas communicate with loud bellows that males use to attract mates and establish dominance. Sharks can have up to 30,000 teeth in their lifetime, constantly replacing lost ones. Crocodiles have one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, capable of exerting up to 5,000 pounds per square inch. There are over 800 different types of eels, and they live in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds all around the world. Anglerfish have long, inward-pointing fang-like teeth that hold on to prey once caught. Chameleons live mostly in trees and bushes in warm climates. Sea lions are opportunistic feeders, consuming fish, squid, and sometimes stealing from fishing gear. Snail shells are primarily made of calcium carbonate and grow as the snail grows, forming a spiral or coil. Some fish, like the mudskipper, can live and move on land using their fins and breathe through their skin. Penguins communicate using unique vocalizations, which help parents and chicks recognize each other. Seahorses use their tails to help them hold on to objects. This makes eating food easier and prevents them from being pushed around by the current. Turtle shells consist of 2 parts, the top carapace and the bottom plastron, both formed by fused bones. Cheetahs eat small antelope, including springbok, steenbok, duikers. Crab. Some crabs use tools, like coconut shells, as mobile homes to protect themselves from predators. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure. Seals can hold their breath underwater for varying times. Harbor seals can stay submerged for up to 30 minutes. Sawfish use their saw to slash prey in the water or pin them to the seabed before eating. Ducks live on every continent except Antarctica and inhabit freshwater and saltwater environments.